Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to install a spice rack in my travel trailer. When I cook, or when my wife cooks, we like to use the stovetop. We also like to use spices. Now I like them to be within hand's reach. So this is where I'm going to install my spice rack. I did purchase a set of 4 spice racks. I'll include this link below. I measured them out. It fits within my space. And it's a good size. Here's what they look like. Each one is about 11 inches wide, has some screw holes here. I pre-drilled the holes. It's a really simple install. Here's what it looks like up close. I'll just use these 1/2-inch screws so they will not go all the way through the piece of wood. And a closer look at my grill top, vent hood, microwave, and where I will install my spice racks. All I need is a drill and the screws. One thing that's nice about this spice rack is it holds these square, simply organic spices really well. Now that they're installed, I can just put my spices up. And they fit really nice. Now when we're traveling and I'm driving from place to place, these do bounce around a little bit. Let me show you how I fix that. I simply take a washcloth and stuff it in between. And that will usually hold it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.